Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush, Amazing K, and it is November 23rd, 2024, National Cashew Day. Yay! Now I'm going to need you to watch this all the way to the end. Watch this video. Yes, do that. You will be amazed at what you find out about National Cashew Day. First of all, let's talk about that it's a fun snack party nut. You find them at parties, you find them in the nut bowls, and holidays are coming around, so you'll probably get them as gifts. But what do we really know about the cashew? Well, we know, first of all, it's not a nut. It's a seed. So it's one of the things, a lot of people have nut allergies. This is the seed that really doesn't kind of fall into that category. People who do have allergies to nuts, cashews is probably one of the ones that's not as bad. Now, I'm not going to say it's not going to give you a nut allergy, whatever symptoms you get when you have a nut allergy, but it's one of the less ones that, according to my research. Okay, it comes from a cashew tree. From northeast Brazil. The tallest cashew tree is 32 feet high. And it covers wait a minute, let me get this right, 81,000 square feet. That's a big tree, okay? So they come in little seeds and they're covered, they look like this. Kind of reminds me of like peppers that are pooping out a seed. But that's what it is. That's what it is. And it's not a nut because it's not in a shell. Most nuts or peanuts, all nuts, they are covered in a shell. Well, nope. This is covered in a lining. Okay, the cashew is in a lining. It's very hard. It has caustic fluid in it. Okay. Listen, it has a lot of medicinal effects of it. Gives you that copper, magnesium, phosphorus, and trace minerals, also antioxidants. So they're kind of good for you, and they taste good. And there's lots of different uses for them. People put them over ice cream, chop them up for ice cream. They do, cashew nuts, put it in your salads. All kinds of things you can do with them. You could give them as a gift holiday, just wrap them up, put a bow on it. A lot of people love cashews just to eat. So I have some different type of cashews here, and we have some sea salt cashews, and this is by Nut Harvest brand, okay? And that's for sea salt. Sea salt is supposed to be good if you got to have salt. Now we also have some unsalted cashews. Some people are like, oh, that's so bland. But unsalted cashews, because we don't want to have a whole lot of salt in our bodies. Now we have these honey cashews. When you look at here, look at it, it looks like it's a little honey. It's honey cashews, so they're sweet, they're added. And then you have these are honey salt cashews. Okay, and this is by Johnny Almond Nut Company, but it's honey and salt. Okay, I mean, pick one, sugar or salt or sweet, whatever. But those are cashews, and you know what? All of them are good. I've had all of them. I know I usually eat it, but I'm not going to eat it, okay? But that's what cashew is all about. I want to know what's your favorite cashew, and what do you use for cashews, okay? Go ahead, post it on your social media, post it in the comments. We want to know what type of cashews do you like? What's your favorite, that's sign language for favorite cashew. How do you use them? Do you put them on ice cream? Do you put them in your casseroles or, over your pasta? Some people put cashews in pasta. So how do you do it? I want to know. All right. Go ahead and like, comment, and share on this. And go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, I need you to. I'm on the verge of trying to get to at least, I forget the number, just come on and subscribe. Yes, because we are excited. We have something coming up in January where I'm going to be doing a whole program about Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. Yes, that's going to be at the Lincoln Branch Library. Come on out. And if you're in the neighborhood, you get to meet me in person. If you haven't seen me in a while, come on and see. We're going to talk about this whole platform that I'm doing, Celebrate Every Day. We're getting ready for the new year, guys. What's your goals? What's your goals for the new year? What's your goals for the day? Every day you should have a goal. So that's what we're going to be talking about. So come on out. You register. It's free. You just need to go to register so they'll know how many people are going to be there. And I hope to see you, and I hope to meet you. Be bold, be blessed, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because you're all unique and you all have something to bring to the table. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you don't, because you know the truth that you do. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because you are it. The it factor. Yes, unique. All right, I'm Karen K. Rush, and I approve this message. Bye-bye. This episode of Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K was sponsored by Rush Travels and Adventures. We show you how you can save money and earn money on the business side of travel. If that's something you want to know more about, give us a call, because we can help you develop your financial future all over the world. We can change your life for the rest of your life and beyond. Rush Travels and Adventures.